Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing exposure and protecting highlights. This creates room for blue-black tones later. Open your clip in a timeline with Rec. 709 or ACES, and choose a 16-bit pipeline if available. First, pull exposure down 1 to 2 stops and lower contrast so shadows retain detail. Once done, use a basic curve to compress midtones slightly while holding highlights. This gives you a neutral base to push toward night without crushing information. Make sure skin and practicals remain readable. Now push the image toward cool tones while keeping natural skin. Use the color wheels to move midtones and shadows toward blue or teal. Try -20 to -40 points on the hue control as a starting place. Once done, tint shadows subtly and nudge highlights a touch toward cyan so contrast reads like night. Apply local masks to protect skin and practical warm lights. Desaturate backgrounds by 10 to 25% to sell the cold environment, while preserving finish by introducing texture and subtle falloff to sell the date-night shift. Add 1 to 3% film grain and a gentle vignette to darken edges. This helps your eye focus and feels natural. Then place a blue tint layer on top at low opacity, trying multiply or screen blends to taste. If anything breaks, most commonly skin tones, make a skin mask and reduce the blue there, then boost exposure by 0.2 to 0.5 stops on that mask. That single tweak fixes the most common problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.